What's up, YouTube? Hello, and I am back with another video. It is your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, just like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, y'all. What is going on? It is June 22nd, okay, and we have been through so much this year. We are 6 months in, and I know y'all ready for it to end, okay? And at the end of the day, I got the tea for y'all today. All right. So if you have not seen, cannot see, cannot notice, y'all, I have my baby. All right. And as you can see, I have lost weight. I am definitely a lot smaller than I was when I was pregnant. I'm definitely a lot smaller than I was before I got pregnant as well. And I want to let y'all know how I did that. Because who wouldn't want to share the tea on how y'all made something get accomplished? Why not join people in on your accomplishments? Okay. So today we're going to talk about what I did to be able to get me to this size. All right. I had my baby on June 15th. It is June 22nd. That is exactly 7 days ago. I had her at 4:35 a.m. Um, it wasn't not an easy labor. I'm not gonna say it was too easy. It was easy enough, way easier than my first. She was a lot smaller, 6 pounds, 11 ounces, guys. She's beautiful, and I am definitely happy she's here. I'm definitely happy to be able to get back to my pre-pregnancy weight, um, and everything, right? So, guys, if you cannot see, this is me, right? And see, I am holding my stomach in, y'all. If I don't hold my stomach in, it's not that bad, honestly. It's just, whew, you know, that's me. If I don't hold my stomach in, it definitely has went down a lot. But do hold it in, you know. Don't judge me. I don't got no booty, whatever. All right, we ain't focused on that. We're talking about weight loss. All right, we gonna work on that next. Okay, it's when I can actually get in the gym. As you guys can see, I have slimmed down a lot, especially since having my daughter. If you have saw my other videos as well, you saw how big my stomach was when I was pregnant. Um, yeah. So my final weight now, I can't give you guys an exact, but this is how it looks, right? Okay. You know, regarding day one of me having my daughter, I was breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is important, important, important. You want to lose that weight? Breastfeed, okay? Give your daughter, give your son the nutrients that your body naturally creates for them, okay? We are made as humans to naturally feed our children. If we don't naturally feed our children, guys, you're not going to lose the weight you want to lose, okay? Because that snapback only comes when it's natural and it's on purpose. So, if that makes sense, all right? Can I see I have a little bit lit? Okay, so mind me. If I end up dashing out of here, it's because I saw a wasp. All right, because ain't nobody trying to get bit today. Um, these mosquitoes are out here, stressful, but it's good. New scenery. Like I said, I see a wasp, but we have a new scenery, guys. And we will be here. I'm about to head in the house for a little second until this shit goes away. Cause not like I got time. Period. All right, guys. So, like I said, um, when it comes to weight loss, you want to be mindful after you have your baby. Breastfeed, okay? I know it's uncomfortable. I know it may not be. It's gonna, help. It may prolong your cramps. Um, I do know that when it comes to the after pregnancy, like bleeding and everything, it does, kind of extend your bleeding a little bit by breastfeeding, but you're losing all that weight that you had when you were pregnant, all right? So it comes with a price. It is okay. It just depends on you, what you're willing to do, what you are um, looking for, okay? These mosquitoes bit me the fuck up. All right. Um, at the end of the day, guys, like I said, uh, pregnancy is not hard. It's not pregnancy weight loss is not hard. It is not something that is impossible. You can definitely get back down to your regular weight. Um, what else? At the end of the day, I have a lot of people saying, they didn't like breastfeeding. It's very uncomfortable for them. What I did do on my third day, like I said, I'm 7 days in. On my third day, I did put on a waist trainer for maybe an hour or so, and that helped. But I feel like it was a little bit too early for me to be using a waist trainer. It was painful, not too painful, but it was painful enough, especially when I took it off. I definitely feel like, ugh, can't breathe. But definitely, it was way super helpful considering the fact that I came from being out here to, right here. Okay. So definitely be mindful of that. Um, I wouldn't recommend you do any crunches or go back into the gym a week after birth. I did have my daughter vaginally, natural as well, no epidural, no none of that, no pain medication, just straight had her. This is my second child. My first was 9 pounds 2 ounces. This one was 6 pounds 11 ounces. So you kind of see the difference. Um, when it comes to being able to comfortably, um, when when you feel comfortable to go back to the gym, I would say take it easy on yourself. Even if you feel like you have enough energy to be able to do crunches and do all the extra stuff, I want you to be careful, okay? Because you never want to hurt yourself and prolong your recovery just because you're trying to get back to your weight or trying to get to a weight that you want to be at. You want to make sure that you're being healthy with your body and make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to be. Excuse me, guys. So, at the end of the day, like I said, you want to be very careful and you want to take care of your body. Okay, if you don't take care of your body, who will? So, these mosquitoes bit my ass up. Okay, I was out there for not that long, and yeah. At the end of the day, guys, what can I say? Like I said, guys, whew, weight loss is not easy, but it's not hard. Okay, it's all about your determination. Like I always tell you guys, at the end of the day, you can manifest what you want. If you tell yourself, all right, I'm about to get to da 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 weight, you're gonna do it. Okay, as long as you take those steps that you're supposed to be able to get to that point. Um, yeah. At the end of the day, I feel good. Okay, especially 7 days after having a baby. The day I had her, I was walking out. All right, I was walking. I was doing all of that. Actually, from the bed that I had her in, I was able to walk to be able to go to the bathroom and everything instantly after. It's not everybody has the same exact experience when it comes to having a baby. Sometimes people go through a lot of pain, and it's a lot more complicated with a lot of others as well. And you guys are very strong for going through it. Anything that you go through, childbirth is different for everybody. Um, at the end of the day, to each his own. Yeah, so I want to say, guys, it is not always going to be easy. It's not always going to be hard either. So just be mindful, do what you're comfortable with, and never give up because you will get to where you want to be in life and to the side that you want to be in life, regardless of what anybody says. So, have a